I say bananas, you say peppers. And as usual, my camera angle is jacked. First we have to shuffle him out of the way. Everyone say hello and goodbye to Phantom of the Opera baby. Now, I feel stupid for saying this, but I feel like the Phantom has a real name and I don't remember it. The next thing I'm about to say will shock and surprise you. I feel like that's like a nice clickbait YouTube title right there. We are gonna be unboxing Pickles. Ooh, I should title this video like something like, I opened my mailbox and it was full of pickles. It is pickles, but it's not the gherkins you might be thinking of. You guys, I don't know what, I don't know what on earth. I'm like in a good mood today. Even though it is so hot here. I have said this every summer that I've ever been on YouTube. It is so hot here. It is so hot here in Texas. And I'm trying to like exercise again. And so like I look like this by like 6 p.m. every day. But I feel good, you guys. I drank a bottle of water today. The whole thing, did some exercising, did some cleaning. Now I'm hanging out with you guys. This video is probably gonna be short and random, and I'm so shocked that these items are here. Anyway, pickles. Have I ever shown you guys? Yes, I did. A couple of months ago, I did a special planner unboxing for the Hobonichi Pickles planner. Do you guys remember that? I think that that's the only time that I have talked to you guys potentially about pickles and my love for Pickles the frog. And he's really hard to find now. Dogman and I actually started collecting Pickles frogs years ago. They used to be a lot easier to find this character. We had a Sanrio store in our like Houston Galleria, and I don't really think that this character is owned by any subsidiary of the Sanrio brand, so I don't know why they used to sell pickles at Sanrio, but that was a magical experience. They stopped selling pickles there, and now unfortunately the entire Sanrio store has been gone for a couple of years now. And then the other place is Dogman and I used to always be able to find really cool, unique pickles items from Epcot, Japan. They used to have, I don't remember what the store is called there. I know I've talked to you guys about that a million times. So if you guys have never seen Pickles the Frog, if y'all didn't watch that other random planner video I made like 4 months ago now, then you might not know what I'm talking about. Pickles is like a whole like really popular, I think it's pretty popular in Japan, and they make like lots of different pickle items. You guys, I'm trying to concentrate on what I'm saying, but this is the most confusing bundle of like rubber bands and plastic and tape that I feel like I've ever dealt with in my life. Ooh, although I'm gonna hang on to these rubber bands because I want to try geode tie-dyeing. I've never seen that before. Okay, I'll try and conserve the rubber band later, but I feel like these are like really good tie-dye rubber bands. Let's recycle. I feel like Pickles is a pretty popular character in Japan. At least they seem to do a lot of specialized releases for Pickles. Like this year, they're doing a whole collection related to the Tokyo Olympics. Every year at Halloween and Christmas, they do special Pickles the Frog in like different Halloween costumes, different like Christmas outfits. They'll come out with like different random ones called like Cafe Pickles, where he's in almost like a little chef's outfit. They have Doctor and Nurse Pickles. So do you see what I'm saying? I feel like it's like a lot of other like really popular characters where you can get them for a whole bunch of different seasons, and I don't know, it's something I collect. But I'm so shocked that this stuff is here, you guys, because I swear everything that I ordered, because there is like 1 or 2 of the Olympic items in here, and I swear it said it was not going to be released until July 29th. So I do not understand how I have this stuff in my hands. It does look like 1 item is missing, and that's a shame, but we'll sort that out later. Okay, so first of all, I got a brand new Pickles. I know that this video is so dang random, but I do really enjoy just sitting down and talking to you guys about whatever. And I always say every month I'm gonna get back into daily videos, and I'm just gonna be honest, my life is still like basically pretty boring. Like I'm not going out or doing anything. I'm going to the dentist on Wednesday and I have such anxiety about that. Not about like just going to the dentist, but just like going out in public. So I don't know, baby steps. So right now I would like to hang out with you guys every day, and I wish I was doing like super fun and interesting things like going out and doing like follow me arounds, but I don't know. I got a brand new Pickles. He has something special written on his ribbon that says Pata Pata, and he was in fact called the Pata Pata Pickles. Oh, I wonder if that means that this character debuted in 1994. Let's go ahead and take him off of his little card here. It's like attached in so many mysterious ways. I think you just squeeze his feet or something and his arms raise. I don't, oh my God. Oh, I love it. This is magical. There must be like little air tubes in the feet. You just like push down and then his little arm moves. I know how to describe it. It's almost like if there's a dog toy with like a dog squeaker inside of it, yet it's not squeaking. So it literally feels just like that, except for it makes his little arms raise. So that is so cute. I also bought this little guy because I wanted to make sure that I had the right size Pickles for the clothing and accessories. The one thing that's missing, I feel like y'all would have thought this is so adorable, but they have these little hats for the Pickles, and one of the hats is like broccoli. So you put like a little broccoli hat on him. I thought that that would be really cute with this. So it's little yellow overalls that say Pickles the Frog. Oh, I'll go ahead and show you guys this item as well, which, oh my God, I'm so glad that I got this, like a food delivery backpack. It has little pockets on the side, and then let's open it up. It's so detailed. It's even like insulated on the inside, like a real like pizza delivery bag or something. So yeah, that's the only wild thing about ordering things on Amazon Japan is you will find an item one day, like maybe save it to favorites or even add it to your cart, because that's what I did with this and I just didn't check out yet. And then the next day I went back to check out and then they were saying that the seller, like the listing, could no longer be shipped to the US. And I just like didn't place my order for a while, but I left it in the cart. And then randomly the next time I just so happened to be browsing on Amazon Japan, they changed it back to where it could be shipped to the USA. So it's weird. I've seen that with like a bunch of items that will be on my Amazon Japan like wish list and everything. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and just shove some of this old plastic in here so that his little delivery bag looks full. So this was the outfit I was trying to put together because I was like, oh, maybe he's a Pickles, the delivery frog from like a vegetarian restaurant. So I was gonna give him the little delivery bag, the overalls, and the broccoli hat. And then I just like, I guess, made up a frog restaurant in my mind where I was like, oh yeah, that all goes together. So we will put on his little overalls at least, and then put on his little backpack. All the cards are so cute. Okay, so there's his little overalls. Now these did come in a variety of colors, just in case you're gonna be purchasing frog stuff for yourself. I think red and green were the other overall options, but I just liked yellow the best for some reason. And I am so shocked at this. Like the actual clothes, you actually have to unbutton it. I feel like I'm so used to like Build-A-Bear clothes or something where it's all like Velcro that I just was like stumped. I was like, buttons, what do I do? Yeah, so I don't know if I'm gonna leave his bow on him. Sometimes I have like Pickles that I take the bows off. There are like Pickles the Frogs that are way smaller than this guy, like tiny little, well, they even have like keychain ones that are like itty bitty. They have beanbag ones. They have, oh no, this does fit him. They have this kind of one, which is like a medium sized one in my opinion. And then they have some that are like way, way bigger than this. I should do like a Pickles the Frog collection video at some point because they literally have them in like all different rainbow colors as well. Like pretty much any color you can think of, they have a Pickles to coordinate with that. Oh my God, he does look kind of cute with his little tie on. Okay. Oh no. he can still just a little bit, but the clothing on this little guy might not be. Oh, there we go. Okay, I kind of like, there's actually like a little joint there, although I feel like that makes it look weird. I don't know. You guys, I'm having like a frog clothing debate here because the clothes do kind of limit the movement. Like that one like really doesn't want to move at all. Okay, let's give him his little delivery bag. You guys, I love frogs so much. I just love all the little like accessories. This is so cute. Look at him. Do you want to place an order with my little Pickles delivery frog? Oh, look, he almost looks like he's like dancing. Oh, I'm like scared of his little arms, honestly, because I don't want to hurt them. Okay, so that was outfit number 1. Outfit number 2, perfect for the summertime. Once again, with this listing, I'm trying to remember what the other fruit options were. I think there was like 3 different like summer fruits. Cause see, that's what I'm saying. Like they do like even different outfits for different seasons, different accessories and stuff for different seasons. So I think that these are like the summer options. So I know that there was watermelon and pineapple, and I feel like there was a 3rd fruit, and I just do not remember what that fruit is. So there's his little pineapple top, and there's his little pineapple shorts. And I feel like there's slightly 2 different colors, although I feel like don't pineapples like kind of seem like radiant sometimes? So these clothes are like a lot more lightweight and flexible. So I'm hoping when we put this little outfit on him, his arms will still be able to move. Sometimes, you guys, I don't know why, I think that I'm like, people are really gonna like this video. Although I feel like frogs right now are like just worldwide popularity all the time. Let's put on his little pineapple pantaloons. Do you guys think I should take the bow off or leave it on? So this one actually is Velcro, which probably makes it a lot easier than trying to put that over his little frog head. That is so cute. See, I feel like I should take the bow off because I feel like it makes the clothes like lay a little weirdly. What do you guys think about that? Do you think that that is like cute that the pineapple is almost like a gradient, or do you think it's kind of weird that like the top and the bottom look like they're like different colors? So there we go. I feel like his arms do move better in this outfit as well, so that's good. I feel like it definitely looked like it was gonna be the same color, like that the shorts and the top were gonna match a little bit better, but I mean it is a tiny outfit for a plush frog, so what am I expecting here? Perfection? So the last item is definitely one of the items that I'm so shocked that it is here, because I know that this was like not supposed to be released until the Summer Olympics. And it is Pickles the Frog Olympic medals. And you guys, I am just shocked by like picking this up, the weight of this, because I definitely just thought it was gonna be like little plastic medals. You know, like I feel like they have those for like kids' birthday parties and stuff where you just like buy a pack of like 12 plastic medals. This is like actually medals. So they are a lot heavier. I'm shocked. So we have silver, gold, and bronze, and they all have little Pickles, the frogs, on them. And then the other thing that we have in here, which I have to be honest, like I actually don't know. I don't know if I've seen this at the Olympics like in a long time, but I think that this is meant to be like a little like leaf crown. Wait, does it go like that? That's the funny thing about like ever giving frogs like eye accessories or hats. I feel like it doesn't 100% work because they have their little frog eyeballs. A lot of Pickles items have these little like cartoons on them, and it's always so, so cute. It's like, he's doing karate, he's playing basketball, volleyball, golf maybe? I don't know. I can't see, I'm like looking at it backwards, but that is so cute. Okay, let's try your different medals on. So he has silver, then bronze. See, I love stuff like this. I feel like the concept of these kinds of dolls is slowly now coming here to the States because Disney, in fact, has now started releasing the Numios. Have you guys seen those? Because this is such a thing that I see all the time in Japan. And then here is the gold medal. These are so cute. Like, I might hang one of these, honestly, from like a car rear view mirror or something. I feel like there's this whole thing where a lot of people have like Instagram pages where they almost make their own little like plushies and stuff into like little influencers or something almost, because they will like get food and snacks and just take all these cute photos, and they'll have like all these different outfits and different accessories, and it's like a whole little like hobby world in and of itself. And I feel like that has not really too much been a concept over here for very long, until like I started seeing some people doing it a little bit when I was at Disney last in 2019. But now I think they actually came out last year. Disney started doing the Numios, and they are Disney plush characters that are basically just this size. And then they have like miniature clothing and accessories and stuff for you to go around the parks and then like do photo ops with these little plush animals and stuff. Like they even have miniature like lounge fly backpacks and everything. So I feel like it is a whole thing. A lot of these items are, I think that the overalls and stuff were only around like $7 or $8. So each of the accessories by itself is not that expensive, but you do still have to pay like shipping. Like I'm starting to wonder if I could just sign up for an Amazon Prime account in Japan. That's the only thing is like, unfortunately, if you already have Amazon Prime, it does not work on Amazon global websites. So you still have to pay shipping and everything. Now they do have an Amazon Prime service in Japan, but I don't know if you can get a separate Prime subscription just for Amazon Japan. I don't know. I'm overthinking this. Probably nobody in the world cares, but you have to let me know what y'all think about this. Like, do you think it's like a goofy hobby? Like, I feel like some people love stuff like this, like I do, and then some people are like, this is so stupid. Like, plushies and stuff are for kids. But then on a whole other hand, it's like I feel like there are more plushie collectors now than ever. Like, finding Squishmallows is like impossible. That right there could be an Olympic sport, honestly. I feel like plushies are starting to become like really popular, and I understand why. I mean, they're just kind of like fun. It's just like, are you having a bad day? Not anymore. So yes, that was my Pickles haul. But let me know if you guys would like to see any more like little hauls like this and stuff. I have some other stuff that came from Amazon Japan as well. That is like an Amazon Japan stationery haul. So I'm very excited about that. I have a lot of really cool, weird, and interesting items that I got. I'm gonna go. Thank y'all so much for hanging out today and for watching. If you're not already and you'd like to be, hit the button down below, subscribe, become a member of the Banana Peppers squad today. And until I see you guys again, stay happy, stay healthy, stay sassy, stay banana peppery. I love you guys so much, and I will be back again very soon. Bye.